Hello, how are you? Thank you very much for clicking in this video. My name is Lucas, and today I made you guys a video of 3 things that I found in your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating wiremasters electric. These guys are the ones that show on the first result on Google when you look for electrician in Miami, and you could be there really easily by just implementing these 3 things that I'm gonna tell you about. You may wonder why I shoot this video for you guys, and it's just because I know a lot of business owners are really busy helping their clients, so they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more clients. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for them, they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found out that by making these videos and sending them for free, some people like to take the information and do it themselves, but some business owners contact me and have me do that for them. So that said, I want to talk to you about the 3 main things that Google uses to rank a website, which are content, backlinks, and citations. Content would be everything that is on your website, from text, images, what are the pictures saved as, and also what is behind the pictures. If you see here, when you put it on a word counter, you have 204 words. Usually Google on the front page on average to websites that rank on the top, they like to see about 2,000 words. So if you see here your competition, you put on the same word counter, they have about 1,300 words. Okay, all the accounts, text, pictures, how the pictures are saved, as I said, everything. So the only thing you need to do on that aspect is just add some more content and keyword rich oriented content. Okay, so keywords are things like Electrician Miami, that if you look right now, here, Electrician Miami is mentioned 0 times on your website. Okay, that's why you're not found over here. Then the other thing, backlinks. A backlink is basically another website mentioning your website, and when somebody clicks in it, it drives the traffic back to your site. Okay, and Google is pretty much like a popularity contest, so they like to see a bunch of relevant sites vouching for you. So as you can imagine, it's not the same Pizza Hut, for example, mentioning your website because Google knows you're not a pizza business, but another electric company mentioning you or an electric magazine site mentioning you. Those things are way more powerful for on Google eyes. Okay, so if I take your website and I put it here on Ahrefs, this is a tool that we use to check backlinks. It's a paid tool, but you have a bunch of them that do the same thing for free. You can go, I can see that you have 7 referring domains. Okay, these are 7 websites that link back to your site. If you put the wiremasters electric right here, Ahrefs, you can see that they have 76. How can you beat them? You just copy all the domains that they have. So you go here and you go through every single one of these. You make a profile, that's usually how you do it, and you put a link on your profile that links to your website. You copy all the ones they have and you add some extra. That way you blow them out of the water. If all these are good for ranking them, they're good to rank you as well. Okay? So that's how you do with the backlinks. And the third thing I want to talk about is citations. When you look for a term like Electrician Miami, the first thing you see usually are these ads. The way you get here on top is just by beating your competition. But I'm gonna talk about this right now. This is completely free. Okay, you can be here really easily by just adding more citations than your competition. A citation is basically your business information listed in directories all throughout the web. The more directories you're listed in, the more citations you have, the higher you get in here. If the way to get on the very top is that you check how many citations your competition that is in the top has, and you put the same ones plus some extra. So I would say if they have 150, I would put maybe 300. That way, when they try to catch up to you, you can just start making more and they will never be able to. All right. So that said, I'm gonna make a little recap of the 3 things again that you need to beat everybody online. That would be add some more content, keyword rich and keyword oriented to your site. Then build a good, healthy backlink profile that you can start doing by just copying all the backlinks that these guys have over here, the Wiremasters Electric, and also the citations. All right. So if you like what you heard and what you've seen, and you want me to do it and help you doing it for you, just contact me back. If not, if you want to do it yourself, but you have any questions, I would love to help you all throughout the process. And the only thing I would really appreciate if you can give me a little bit of feedback on this video. Thank you very much. And one thing that I would really recommend is that you start to do this as soon as possible, since this takes a little bit of time to implement. And the sooner you get it, the sooner you're going to start receiving all those calls. Thank you very much.